उसके पीछे एक कारण होता है, एक रीजन होता है, एक मकसद होता है. We are here to celebrate womanhood. Shubh Star Miss Mrs. India 2020 confidently glorious. I think this has a lot of meaning hidden to it. I'd like to thank our broadcast partners, MH1, for your consistent support, and thank you so much for joining us in making this even bigger and even better. I would like to welcome our esteemed jury, Ms. Siddhi Gupta, Ms. Sudha Jain, and Mr. Ramveer Singh. I would request our guests to please join us for the lamp lighting ceremony. To please join us on stage for the lamp lighting ceremony. Zola तालियों के साथ Miss Asha Badola, Mr. Mohit Navani, IHR CCO, to please join us on stage for the lamp lighting ceremony. Please put your hands together for esteemed jury members. We are going to witness 10 Miss and 8 Misses this evening. First round, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be in the traditional attire. It's a beautiful sari that all these contestants are going to wear and walk the ramp. This is going to be the first round, everyone, in which all the contestants come here one by one, wearing, draping a beautiful sari, and it is also known as the introduction round. Gentlemen, next up here, we are going to have an international artist amongst us, Mr. Dito Joy. He's going to beatbox for all the 18 contestants who walk the ramp. So please put your hands together as I take my steps back and the contestants start walking here one by one. So ladies and gentlemen, hold your breath as we present to you the models for round 2, the Indian ethnic round. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for all these beautiful, gorgeous looking contestants.
Let's go, let's go.
have a big hand. We're going to have 10 subtitles.
And the meaning of the Baby with a Vision is you have to take care of the responsibility of Shubh Star crown, Shubh Star responsibility, Shubh Star mottos.
For the next category, it is the interactive media, somebody who has gained popularity over the social media. I would once again call the winners in front. Thank you so much and congratulations. I would request both of you to stay back for the next category as well. For being the Miss Talented, I would invite her on stage and request Miss Deepa Kashyap to please be in front. And for being the Mrs. Talented, I would request Mrs. Mantri to please join us in front.
Here is the question, the jury question and answer round. I would request the jury to please keep asking the questions to our contestants one by one, and I'll be happy to ask them the same in Hindi and English.
If you were to pick 3 words to describe yourself, what would those words be? आप खुद को 3 शब्दों में
Lovable and goal-oriented. Lovable. I am lovable because I love the way I am, especially my spine. I am goal-oriented because whatever I want, I achieve in my life because of patience and my hard work. Patience. As a special educator and a social worker, patience is the biggest thing in dealing with special needs children. Thank you so much, ma'am.
And what about the first word? Sorry? Lovable, patient and? What was your
Goal-oriented.
Goal-oriented.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
A woman myself, I think we ladies, we believe in the shine theory. That if I shine, I want you to shine. And if you shine, only then I will shine. And ladies here on stage have completely set by that statement that all of us, we are powerful together. All of us, we can achieve everything we want in life. And hats off to everyone who has come here, has been a part of this fantastic team. This is the season 1, and of course season 2 is going to be even better. It's going to be even bigger, and with a lot of celebrities, of course. This time we also witnessed a lot of them. We're going to have the first runner-up, the second runner-up, and the winners. Request we've been waiting for. Now, congratulations, Divya. Congratulations to all the ladies who are here. Congratulations to all the girls who are here. All of you, trust me, you are shining this evening, and you still have a long way to go. This is just a title. These titles will keep on coming in your life. Please give it up once again for being the winners, Deepa and Divya. Congratulations once again, Deepa and Divya. It is also a coincidence, D and D. Congratulations, ladies.